Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm going to walk through how to make baked chicken parmesan. So instead of pan frying this chicken, we're going to bake it in the oven, which is going to lower its overall saturated fat and make it more heart healthy. Follow along to see how we make this. Our first step, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 and start assembling our chicken. Alright, so our oven's preheated. We're going to go ahead and add our 2 beaten eggs just into anything that you're going to be able to coat the chicken in. And then in a separate dish, we're going to put in our breadcrumbs. And we're going to first dip in the egg. And then we're going to dip in the breadcrumbs. In this prepared glass baking dish that has been coated in non-stick spray. So we're going to go ahead and put our chicken into a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Now that our chicken is in the oven, we're going to go ahead and assemble our 5-minute tomato sauce. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and assemble our sauce. I've got my 14-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, garlic, a little bit of salt, red pepper flakes, olive oil, and that is it. So I just took the chicken out of the oven and we're gonna go ahead and put our tomato sauce and cheese on top. Alright, so our chicken's all ready to go. We're going to go ahead and put it back in the 350-degree oven for an additional 15 minutes uncovered, or until a thermometer reaches 165 degrees. Thanks everyone for following along today as we made the Kendall Reagan Nutrition Center's baked chicken parmesan. You can serve this with noodles, zoodles, or a side of roasted veggies.